Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav. So from any screen into nav, then if we click the rotary control across there, you'll see you've got spoken instructions, guidance, routes, and so on. Click it across again, destination input. So we want destination input. Click the thumb wheel in the center. Countries United Kingdom, place and postcode. Click on place and postcode. And you've got the nice easy rotary wheel. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltneydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers because that's on letters. So we go down here, and although it's not, nothing's highlighted, so you turn it right to the bottom to basically 6 o'clock, and you've got further characters. Now I wouldn't call numbers further characters, but we'll click on that, and then you've got the numbers. So PR5, 4, then it defaults back to the letters J, S. Click OK. To me, that's too complicated. I don't understand why you've got to do that further character business. A lot of sat navs these days go on to numbers automatically. But then click Start Guidance.
Please follow the road for 2 miles.
Okay, so that's that.